Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and jumping straight into Controls Customize HUD. Do this now so you can see the live layout. You must choose Classic or Advanced first because each mode locks different elements. Once selected, press and hold the moving fire button until it highlights. This gives you direct control for repositioning and size adjustments. Make small moves to evaluate reach and keep your thumb position natural so you avoid overcorrecting later on. Now you fine-tune placement. Drag the fire button to where your thumb naturally rests and test it briefly in training mode. Adjust size and transparency so the button is clickable but not intrusive. Bigger helps accuracy, smaller prevents accidental presses. Once the feel is right, use the lock toggle to prevent drift during gameplay. Make sure overlapping buttons are separated by clear space to avoid misfires, and remember to save the layout before exiting so changes persist. Finish by testing the new layout in a practice match. You want consistent hits without accidental presses. When satisfied, save the layout and back it up via account sync or a screenshot for quick recovery. If the fire button still drifts, clear the game cache and restart. If that fails, reinstall or check for HUD-related app overlays. One key tip: if overlays or accessibility tools are active, disable them first. Those often cause touch mapping issues and moving buttons.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.